Welcome to my videos PL200 Microsoft Power Platform Functional Consultant Latest Exam Questions and Answers Set 4. A company has a model-driven app that uses Microsoft Dataverse. Users need to add an alternate phone number when entering their account information. The users also require a list that displays the customers that do not have an alternate phone number. You need to enable the required features. Which features should you use? To answer, drag the appropriate features to the correct requirements. Each feature may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirement: add alternate phone number. Feature column. List of customers without alternate phone number. Feature view. You create a model-driven app for an automobile parts help desk. A help desk agent uses a form to gather information about customers' automobiles into custom tables. The names of the tables are client and automobile. The form must pre-populate the following information about the customer from the client table: first name, last name. The agent must be able to type the following information about the automobile: automobile make, automobile model. You need to implement the form. What should you configure? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Requirement: pre-populate client information. Configuration: virtual table. Enter automobile information. Configuration connector. A company uses Power Apps. You enable auditing in Microsoft Dataverse. Users report the following issues when viewing the audit logs: unable to view the read access audit logs, unable to view the account table audit logs. You need to troubleshoot the issues. What are the causes of the issues? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Issue: unable to view the read access audit logs. Auditing is not enabled at the environment level. Issue: unable to view the account table audit logs. Auditing is disabled at the table level. You create an app to manage customer service cases. Cases entered in forms require different types of data to be stored in different types of columns. You need to create forms for each of the following case types. Which form types should you create? To answer, drag the appropriate form types to meet the data entry requirements. Each source may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Case type A. Form type main. Case type B. Form type main. Case type C. Form type main. Case type D. Form type quick create. Case type E. Form type quick view. You are Dynamics 365 customer service developer. A salesperson creates a chart. You need to ensure that the chart is available to all users on the team. Which actions should the salesperson perform? To answer, drag the appropriate actions to the correct users. Each action may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Select and place. Step 1: action: export the user chart for import as a user chart. Step 2: share the chart with the team. You implement an editable grid for the account entity. The business team provides the following list of features that they would like you to implement. Group by or sort columns in the current view. Configure a business rule to show an error message. Edit values in calculated fields. Edit the address composite field. Use the editable grid on mobile phones. Which actions can you perform? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Action: group by or sort columns in the current view. Can be performed? Yes. Action: configure a business rule to show an error message. Can be performed? Yes. Action: edit values in calculated fields. Can be performed? Yes. Action: edit the address composite field. Can be performed? No. Action: use the editable grid on mobile phones. Can be performed? No. You must create a form for team members to use. The form must provide the ability to lock a field on a form, trigger business logic based on a field value, use existing business information to enhance data entry. You need to implement business rule components to create the form. Which components should you use? To answer, drag the appropriate components to the correct requirements. Each component may be used once, more than once, or not at all. You may need to drag the split bar between panes or scroll to view content. Requirement: lock a form field. Component actions. Trigger business logic based on a field value. Component conditions. Leverage existing business information to enhance data entry. Component recommendation. You have a form that displays a custom field from an entity. A customer wants to restrict users from filtering on the custom field. You need to prevent users from filtering the field in advanced find. What should you modify? A. Fields in the Edit Filter Criteria option of the Quick Find view. B. A searchable field on the Field Properties form. C. Fields in the Add Find Columns option of the Quick Find view. Correct answer, B. You are designing a Canvas app that connects to common data service. You need to configure the app to meet the requirements and ensure that the Canvas app is available offline. What should you implement? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Requirement: pass values from the current screen when moving to another screen. Function: navigate. Display data to a user when the app is offline. Function: load data. You are designing a Canvas app that connects to common data service. You need to see you have a Canvas app that allows users to view, select, and purchase products. The app uses a gallery control to display products and checkboxes that allow users to select products. When users select items from the product catalog, they move to a different screen to complete a purchase. Users must be able to clear all product selections when they click the button. You need to configure the button. What should you do? A. Use the reset control formula and pass the gallery control as a parameter to the reset formula. B. Use the reload control formula and pass the gallery control as a parameter to the reload formula. C. Use the for all function to iterate through each item of the gallery and clear user selections. D. Set the on check value to populate a collection and the on uncheck value to remove the item from the collection. Clear collection when the user selects the button. Configure the app to meet the requirements and ensure that the Canvas app is available offline. What should you implement? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Correct answer, A. You have a Canvas app that contains the following text input fields: id, first name, last name. The app also has a button named Button 1. The onSelect property for Button 1 contains the following expression: collect people. id.text, first name.text, last name.text. For each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. The people collection is automatically created if it does not already exist. Statement yes. When button was pressed. If a record with the current value of id.text already exists in the people collection, the values for first name and last name are updated. Statement no. If you update the record in the collection function to include the value from a new field named age, it will result in an error. Statement no. You are Dynamics 365 Customer Service Administrator. A user must be able to view system posts and activities in a dashboard. You need to create the dashboard for the user. Which components should you use? To answer, select the appropriate options in the answer area. Requirement: display system post. Component timeline. Requirement: display activities. Component lists. Your organization does not permit the use of custom code for solutions. You need to create a view that can be viewed by all users in an organization. Where should you create the view? A. Entities component of a solution. B. Microsoft Excel template. C. Microsoft Visual Studio. D. List view of the entity. Correct answer, D. A company is implementing Power Apps and Power Automate. Several components are created within Power Apps, Microsoft Dataverse, and Power Automate. These components must be promoted from the development environment to the user acceptance test environment in a single solution package. You need to create the solution package for promotion. Where should you create the package? A. Azure DevOps. B. Power Apps Designer. C. Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. D. Azure Portal. E. Office 365 Admin Center. Correct answer, C. A company is creating a Power Apps solution for a production facility. The current solution is in English. The customized components must be translated into several languages. You need to extract the text for translation. In which location can you achieve this goal? A. The tables in the web application. B. The selected environment in the Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. C. The solution in the web application. D. The individual solution components in the web application. Correct answer, C. You have a Canvas app that allows users to view, select, and purchase products. The app uses a gallery control to display products and checkboxes that allow users to select products. When users select items from the product catalog, they move to a different screen to complete a purchase. Users must be able to clear all product selections when they click the button. You need to configure the button. What should you do? A. Use the reload control formula and pass the gallery control as parameter to the reload formula. B. Use the reset control formula and pass the checkbox to the formula to clear user selections. C. Set the on-check value to populate a collection and the on-uncheck value to remove the item from the collection. Clear the collection when the user selects the button. D. Use the revert products formula and pass the checkbox to the formula to clear user selections. E. Use the reset control formula and pass the gallery control as a parameter to the reset formula. Correct answer, B. A customer tracks events by using a custom entity. The custom entity includes a custom field for the venue of the events. The customer must be able to display the events by venue in a calendar. You need to ensure that all events display by venue in the calendar. To which component should you add a control? A. Form. B. Subgrid. C. Chart. D. View. Correct answer, D. You are creating a Canvas app. A user will click a button on each screen of a Power Apps app to proceed to the next screen. You need to implement the action which selects the next screen that the user sees. Which event should you handle? A. Screen transition. B. On select. C. On load. D. On check. Correct answer, B. A company has a Canvas app that includes the following screens, Screen 1 and Screen 2. The on-visible property for Screen 1 contains the following expression. Set age groups, 1 to 25, 26 to 54, 55 plus, for each of the following statements, select yes if the statement is true. Otherwise, select no. Age groups can be accessed from Screen 1 Screen 2. Statement no. Age groups is a collection. Statement no. You can use the update function to change values in age groups. Statement yes. You are Dynamics 365 customer service developer. A salesperson creates a chart. You need to ensure that the chart is available to all users on the team. What should you do? A. Share the chart with the team. B. Assign the chart to each person on the team. C. Export the user chart to Power BI. Import the chart as a Power BI visualization. D. Export the user chart for import as a user chart. Correct answer, A.